The research landscape has evolved, and if you are dedicated to pushing the boundaries of discovery, integrating artificial intelligence into your work is not a luxury, it's a necessity. Imagine harnessing AI to quickly analyze vast amounts of data, unearth hidden patterns, and take care of those repetitive tasks that have long slowed you down. This course offers a practical roadmap designed specifically for research scientists from all fields. Whether you're in biology, physics, social sciences, or any discipline where research is at the core of innovation, here you'll learn how to make AI work for you. In this course, you'll discover actionable, step-by-step lessons that guide you through everything from the fundamentals to advanced techniques tailored to real research challenges. You will gain access to practical prompts, expert guides, and even audiobooks that fit into your busy schedule, allowing you to learn and apply new methods on the go. All of these resources are constantly updated with the latest AI strategies to help you keep ahead, even as your field evolves. Time is your most valuable asset, and with this training, you reclaim it, cutting down weeks of manual work to just hours of efficient AI-powered analysis. The course is not only about gaining knowledge, it's also backed by certifications that boost your resume, validate your expertise, increase earning potential, enhance job security, and open new career opportunities. If you're ready to elevate your research and move confidently into a future driven by technology, discover all the AI for Research Scientists training courses on CompleteAItraining.com.